Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk real quickly about something that I had a conversation on Facebook about this morning, but many people ask how we explore the country. And I have a quick demonstration of that, and something I recommend anybody do if you plan to go full time or even sometime, but months at a time. We are currently located in Phoenix, Arizona, and you see here on my map that I have the blue dot is where we're sitting in Phoenix, and the red circle represents basically a 1 day's drive. Now, getting to some of those places takes longer than others because of highway conditions or road conditions or driving around a thing, but that's roughly as far as I want to drive in 1 day. So we plan to be in Phoenix for the next 6 to 8 weeks. It really depends on how long we want to stay here and if we've seen everything in that duration. But I call it planting a flag. I've said this on a number of podcasts, a number of other places, but I plant my flag here in Phoenix, and I have a home base. We are renting a spot here in Phoenix by the month. I have set up a UPS mailbox, so I go to the mailbox at UPS store, and that's my mailbox, so I can always get mail there. I can always have mail there when I come back. I know where the laundry is. I know where the grocery is. I know where all the things are around here that I need to do, so this is my home base. And sometimes we may just want to take the truck on a trip without taking the trailer with us. Or we may want to stay in a hotel or some unique spot like that. But this is our home base. So for the next 2 months, I have a guaranteed spot to come to my home base to. So if we want to go up north to Flagstaff and spend a weekend, we can take the truck and stay in a hotel. If we want to take the RV up there, we can take the whole thing up there and find a place to stay for the weekend or a week. And then we have a spot to always come back to here in Phoenix. We want to go south down to Tucson or even down into Mexico or something like that. We can go take these weekend trips or week-long excursions or whatever else and see what we want to do. And then, but we always have a place to come home to. Once we have exhausted and seen all the things in that red circle, that's our home base. We've seen all the state parks, we've seen all the national parks, we've seen all the local attractions. We've been to a football game, a baseball game, a basketball game, whatever things we want to go see and do in the area. Then we just pick up the flag and move it to a new spot. For example, if our next spot was up here, Spokane. So if Spokane were to be our next spot on our list, we could find a RV park that lets us rent by the month. We go to the local UPS store, we rent us a mailbox. I think it's like 80 or 90 bucks for a 3-month rental of a UPS store mailbox, but it's a guaranteed place you can always get mail at. So if Spokane were to be our home, we were to pick a spot, then we can take a trip over to Seattle. We can take a trip over to Mount Rainier. Portland's, it's not within the circle, but it's roughly within the circle. We go check out spots in Montana, northern Idaho, things like that. So that's the best way I can tell anyone to go full time or most time in an RV. Just plant your flag, see all the things within the 1 day's drive there, and when you've seen them all, move your flag and plant it to another spot. If you take this little red circle and you cover the map, you can kind of see how you could easily cover the map and spend time in a spot. And if you're willing to be a camp host, you could even be a camp host for a season, and on your off days go do things. So you get to live there for free, and you be a camp host on some days of the week, and you're traveling and going exploring on other days of the week. So that's the best way I can tell you how to be full time or most time. It's something that I think that many people don't understand how to do, and we love it, and it's been pretty great for us. So that also gives you a chance to set up a doctor or set up a dentist, or at least know where those things are if you need to go do some type of services for yourself. But it kind of gives you a home base to always come home to. So hope you enjoy, and we appreciate you joining. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Happy adventures. Bye.